You just wasted $40 on a drone that flies like a plastic bag in the wind. Yeah, I've seen the reviews. I've seen the crash videos. And honestly, most cheap drones deserve it. Here's the thing though. Somewhere between the $40 toy and the $1,500 pro rig, there's a sweet spot. Drones that actually shoot smooth, stable, honestly impressive footage for under $300. But which ones are actually worth your money? That's what we're figuring out today. I tested, researched, and cross-checked flight times, camera specs, and real owner feedback to bring you the 5 best camera drones under $300 you can buy right now. Let's get into it. Number 5. The SJRC F11 S4K Pro. This one's for the weekend flyer. Someone who wants GPS stability without babysitting the controls. It's got a 2-axis gimbal, a genuinely sharp 4K camera, and return to home if you lose signal or the battery gets low. Great for beginners who still want cinematic-looking shots. Now, here's the catch. The gimbal is 2-axis, not 3. So in windy conditions, you'll notice a little more shake than the pricier options on this list. Still, for the price, it punches way above its weight class. Number 4. The Ruko U11 Mini 4K. This is the one for photography nerds. It's got a 48-megapixel sensor, which means insane detail if you're printing shots or zooming in during edits. It also shoots true 4K UHD video with solid color accuracy. The drawback? Flight time is decent, not amazing. You'll want a spare battery if you're planning a full-day shoot. But if photo quality is your priority, this thing delivers. Number 3. The Potensic Atom SE. This is the all-rounder, the one I'd recommend to a friend who just wants something reliable. It's got 4K recording, GPS with waypoints and orbit mode, and around 62 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries. Now, this is where it gets interesting. It's compact enough to travel with, but stable enough that it doesn't feel like a toy. The only knock against it? The app can feel a little basic compared to bigger brand names, but once you're in the air, you barely notice. Number 2. The Holy Stone HS720E. This one's for the guy who wants long flight sessions without constantly recharging. 46 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries, a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization, and GPS features that make takeoff and landing feel almost foolproof. Here's the honest downside. EIS helps, but it's not the same as a true mechanical gimbal. In fast movement, you'll notice a bit of digital smoothing. Still, for the price, the flight time alone makes this one worth considering. And number 1, the DJI Mini 4K. If you only remember one name from this list, remember this one. It's the drone most reviewers agree on. A real 3-axis gimbal, 12-megapixel sensor, genuinely clean, stable 4K footage, and DJI's flight software, which honestly makes flying feel almost automatic. The trade-off? It's usually right at the top of the $300 range. So if you're on a tight budget, this might stretch it. But if you want the best footage quality on this entire list, this is the one to beat. So there you have it. 5 drones, 5 different types of flyers, 1 goal: getting footage that actually looks good. Now look, prices on these change constantly. Sales pop up, stock runs out, deals shift week to week. So check the latest prices using the links in the description. They change often, so you might find a better deal than what I'm seeing right now. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.